Hello and welcome back, CML fam. The last time we were here, we built over 1,500 building blocks. Today, the work is going to continue. So, if you all don't know, Hubby is a carpenter by trade, but today he is going to be using his expertise to do all of the steel work for himself that is going to be used in the belting. And today, for the very first time, I am going to be giving you all a walk through the house to let you see the different areas that we're going to be having in the house in the future. And a few days after, we are going to be pouring the belting. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's episode as we build our dream house from the ground up. Enjoy! So this is the front porch, all built up, ready to be poured. And this is inside. This is the sitting area. Right here is the entry door, and in this section is like the, well, dining, because the kitchen is over here. So we're all ready to pour now. Kitchen, washroom door, and this is another bedroom right here. All right, so to the back, this is a big bedroom. We're gonna have a passage right here, and we have this. Look at this. This is supposed to be a porch, but this actually looks so big. I would transform this into another bedroom. That's so big. But everything is built up. Yeah. I think this is a bathroom. Yeah, I think I have another bathroom on that side. It's another bedroom. And this long old wall. Closet. It's a long old wall right here. From this window all the way down here is a closet. Double closet. Bathroom window. And the other bedroom starts here. Come back to the front. Okay, so far everything is looking okay. Ready to be poured. One truck empty, another one getting setting up. Start pouring again. As we give God all the glory, the honor, and the praise for bringing us this far, I also want to say a very big thank you for all of you that have come along on this journey with us. We have successfully completed today's task, so we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.